This is an amazing looking 2013 muscle out of the Lktraz compound, all been built here by us. It's got a wicked ass paint job on it, black, then we got them to gold flake it with a gold pearl. The wheels have been powder coated white with our special treatment so it doesn't just fall off like others. The front forks have been stripped out, rebuilt, powder coated. It's got 16-inch T-bars on it, 2-inch, out of Hammerdown in New Plymouth, with the internal brake and internal clutch. We don't run our throttles inside, they get jammed up. It's looking stunning. Brand new tyre on the front, full service, brand new Vance and Hines pipes on this puppy. Arna air ride with adjustable rebound, no point pissing around with anything else. Brand new rear tyre, got the 260 rocking on there. She's sitting as low as, got the pulley guards, all been powder coated black, all hard as. Now this paint job, this light does not do it any justice, but there's a wicked gold fleck in there. So you got the black levers, mini mirrors, mini indicators, sleek as anything. This one's got a low mileage on it, and these are real miles, not played with, not adjusted. 11,209. You can check that mileage against VTNZ because I know it's right. Give us a call. This ain't going to be a cheap bike.